Imagine opening the door and discovering that you are standing in a place incredibly close to a colossal iceberg. Each morning, as the cruise ship sails away from the tranquil shores, you will experience the thrill of stepping out onto the vast open sea. Surrounded by an ocean of crystal clear waters, you will find yourself in a place that is both serene and exhilarating. The cold breeze brushes against your skin as the iceberg stands tall before you, its surface glistening under the morning sun. As the cruise ship glides further across the ocean, the view from the deck will become even more breathtaking. So, what do you think about it?